30-second stock. Let's go. We had a big IPO recently, ARM. I personally like this stock and I'm going to lock in a position by mid-2024. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why this is a 20-year hold for me. Let's jump in. My first reason for liking this stock is that NVIDIA and ARM are not competitors. NVIDIA is making GPUs and ARM is making CPUs and CPU architecture. NVIDIA tried to buy ARM after 2020 and they were unsuccessful. NVIDIA's main offering of GPUs actually run ChatGPT, which is my number 2 reason. Apple uses ARM's architecture in its iPhone 15. A lot of other cell phones also use ARM's architecture. You know, it appears that ARM has a tremendous advantage in this space, and I'd expect revenue and demand for cell phones to really only increase over time. I also see the potential for some AI experiments to occur outside of GPUs, and I think ARM could be positioned to be the conduit for that, especially opposed to Intel. My third big reason for liking ARM is around their earnings potential. I love this. All of 2022 equals just 2 quarters of 2023 revenue and earnings so far. We get 2 additional quarters of revenue and earnings for 2023. So those bars are going to be pretty high this year. I have a note on here that the current market cap is 18 times 2022 revenue, and it's 87 times 2022 earnings. These are pretty high multiples, I know. But if we see double the revenue and earnings for 2023, it's going to half those multiples to 9 and 43. This outlines some risk here. The stock price really could half in order to get in line with those NVIDIA earnings multiples. But one thing to remember is that NVIDIA and ARM are really not direct competitors, so it could stay up. There's an additional risk component to take into account here, which is the lockup period for pre-IPO awarded shares. There's a time frame from when a stock IPOs to when insiders can sell the stock on the open market. That's known as the lockup period. The market expects that when this lockup period is over, a lot of insiders will sell their shares and the stock price will go down. Given the fact that ARM's market cap went up 50% since 2017, I don't know that a lot of insiders are going to want to sell at this point. They may have doubled their money depending on when they were awarded their shares. They might be looking to get a 10x. And then there's some extra risk around the entire market, not just ARM, which is that rates will likely stay higher for longer. And it seems to be a little unknown if we're actually at the terminal Fed funds rate. We just have to remember that as cost of capital remains high, market valuations could get weaker from here. There you go. I think ARM is an exciting investment opportunity for a 10 to 20 year hold. That's definitely how I'm going to treat it. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching 30-second stocks. Please subscribe if you want to see more fast analysis of stocks, and we'll see you next time.